Can we observe itikaf for a short period of time?
There is no limit as far as the period of itikaf is concerned. You can offer itikaf for the short period or for a long period, for a short while. The majority of scholars agree it can even be for a short while, even for 1 hour. As Ibn Hazm, may Allah be pleased with him, he said that itikaf can be done for 1 hour. But there are certain scholars who say that itikaf should be done minimum for 1 day or for days. And they say this 1 hour is actually a period, doesn't refer to a day. But the majority of scholars agree it can be done for a short time, for 1 hour, for a day, for a few days, for a week, for 10 days, for a month. It depends upon the person. There is no limitation as far as the period is concerned.
Jazakallah khair, Doctor. Next question. Are women allowed to observe itikaf in their houses?
As far as itikaf is concerned, according to the verse of the Quran of Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 187, which says that do not associate with your wives and do itikaf, retreat in the mosque. So since the word is specific, the ruling is in the mosque, as it's a ruling for the gents that they should do itikaf in the mosque, the same ruling applies even for the women. There are a few scholars who do say that itikaf can be done